School Girls, it's Jamie Evans, and I'm so excited to see you guys through Zoom tomorrow at 9:15. I wanted to make a short video to walk you through how to make Zoom work best for us. Check out these tips. Tip number 1, be prepared. We'll start tomorrow at 9:15. So make sure you bring your notebook, your Bible, your pens, whatever you need to do to partake in the message and make your brain work, not just to come and let somebody regurgitate a message into your mouth. Also, we'll be playing a game tomorrow, 2 games actually. One of them will require, if you want to play, to run around. It's going to be a scavenger hunt for you to find something in your house. You might want to let the people in your house know what's going on so they don't think that something's on fire or something's wrong. Hey everybody, it's Jamie. So I'm on Zoom right now. And if you can look, once you get on Zoom, there's different things that you guys can do. Down on the bottom, my left, if I'm looking at the screen, there is a mute button, and that is just to help with background noise. There'll be a couple times that I will call on you guys to answer a question or maybe read a Bible verse. A couple verses for me, but other than that, you can keep it muted, so that way there's just not, if there's 20 to 40 of us that are on the website together, it can probably get pretty loud with background noises and random things happening. So if you want to keep it muted, that will be helpful. And then also when I'm teaching, I probably will just mute everyone as well. So don't be offended if that happens. Over here, it says invite. And if there's somebody that you know that's in your small group that's not there, you can actually click that and then go to copy URL, which is just the website, to get them there. Now, there's a meeting password over here. Now listen, this meeting password is not the meeting password where we will be using it, but there will be one when we join together, and they'll need that length. So don't use the number I just gave you, because this is just a meeting between myself and myself. Okay, and then also the share screen, I will be sharing some PowerPoint stuff with you guys. So just like I asked you guys to be prepared, I'll have plenty of notes for you guys to take. There's a chat button, and I would love for you guys to get down on the chat, ask questions, whatever you guys need to do. And you, I already said questions, but whatever you guys need on that. And then reactions, you guys are welcome to hit thumbs up or the clapping hands, whatever you guys need. So I hope this helps a little bit with Zoom. So again, tomorrow you'll get, you can go ahead tonight or before 9:15 tomorrow. Zoom is a free app. You can just get online as well and just put, like, I think it's zoom.us, and then enter your information. It's free. You just have to set up an account, and you can actually set up an account through Google if you have a Google email and your address, your email address and your password. So super easy, and it's free to do, and I'm so excited to see you guys tomorrow. Hope you have a blast, and we'll talk to you soon. See ya.